Here's what you'll need for my king prawn fried rice. Some rice, obviously. Now this rice, I cooked it yesterday, kept it in the fridge overnight, and that's what you're best off doing. Cook it the day before, spread it out on a baking tray and put it in the fridge overnight. Makes for a lot better fried rice. Then you're going to have some veg. I'm going with spring onions, mushrooms, bell pepper, some ginger, garlic, a lime, king prawns of course. Then for the sauce, going to need some pomegranate syrup. If you haven't got that, just use a spoonful of sugar. Some rice wine vinegar. Again, if you haven't got that, just use some balsamic vinegar. Some fish sauce. I know it stinks, but it adds great flavour. Some sweet chilli sauce, oyster sauce, and some soy sauce to finish off with some toasted sesame oil. Again, if you haven't got that, don't worry about it. First thing we're going to do is make up the sauce. So it's in with the juice of 1 lime, then 2 tablespoons of your pomegranate sauce, 2 tablespoons of your rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of your fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of your sweet chilli, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Get them all mixed together and then put that to one side. With your sauce put to one side, it's time to get some oil into your pan. Heat that up, and then it's in with your grated ginger, your spring onions and your pepper. And we're just going to gently fry them for a few minutes. When your veg have had a few minutes, it's time to go in with your garlic and chopped mushrooms. And give them a couple of minutes just to cook down. Next, you're going in with the sauce you prepared earlier. Into your sauce, you're going with your king prawns, already cooked king prawns. And then on a low flame, you're just going to gently let that simmer away for 5 minutes to heat everything through and ensure everything's cooked. Nicely heated through, it's time to go in with your rice. And just to finish it off, some optional toasted sesame oil. Give that another 5 minutes to check everything's heated through, especially your rice. And then you're ready to serve it up.